you're hearing now is an AI clone of my voice. No hablo español, pero ahora puedo hacer que la inteligencia artificial lo hable por mí con mi voz.
Ram into them and explode.
Since 1837, with the invention of the analytical engine by Charles Babbage, computers have been developed to function faster, process a lot more data, and do things that were basically thought impossible in the previous generations. With the development of quantum computers, we're heading for another big shift in the way computing is carried out and what it can do. We're talking about an exponential increase that's capable of doing anything. In this video, we will take you through a world of computing where dreams can be brought to life in the blink of an eye. First, what exactly is quantum computing? Well, quantum computing is based on the principles of quantum mechanics, which is opposed to the present-day computing. To be clear, classical physics deals with predictable outcomes, where the outcome could be true or false. But in quantum physics, the outcome is very much unpredictable due to the feature of superposition in quantum physics. In a like manner, present-day computers have a binary function where outcomes could either be 1 or 0. This makes it a lot more difficult for present-day computers to factor large numbers, resulting in time-consuming processes for complex tasks. In fact, due to the inability of current-day computers to factor large numbers quickly, the current encryption algorithms rely on the difficulty of factoring large numbers. What this means is that in a world where quantum computing becomes widespread, we will have to develop new ways to secure data on the internet, as computers will be able to override current encryptions in just seconds. The whole idea here is that quantum computing will be able to perform tasks that have been deemed impossible at the moment, and it has the capability to make the current processing of information a lot easier than it has been. Already, Google, through Google AI, has developed a quantum computer named Sycamore, which ran its first test in 2019. Sycamore has been described as a superconducting quantum computer, which means that it uses superconducting qubits, as opposed to the known ones and zeros in classical computing, to perform calculations. Superconducting qubits are made from superconducting materials, which are materials that have no electrical resistance when cooled to very low temperatures. Google's quantum computer was built by a team of engineers and scientists at Google AI, led by John Martinez. The team has been working on quantum computing for over a decade, and their work has led to a number of breakthroughs, including the first demonstration of quantum supremacy in 2019. Such developments are expected to play very important roles in the development of modern-day AI, especially at the moment when we're already having talks about AI reaching AGI and more. We will look at what the implications will be for AI later in this video. For now, let's look at what the 2019 test that Google ran revealed about the power of quantum computing. So far, the key takeaway from that test is the establishment and proof of quantum supremacy over classical computing. During Google's test with the Sycamore quantum computer in 2019, it performed a calculation in 200 seconds that would have taken the world's fastest supercomputer 10,000 years to solve. This was the first time that a quantum computer had been able to perform a calculation that was impossible for a classical computer. So you can now understand when we say that this will be a major shift in the history of computing. And equipping modern-day AI with this level of computing power will mean a significant upgrade, which could be limitless. Talking about practical applications, Sycamore has been used in simulating chemical reactions. Google's quantum computer has been used to simulate simple chemical reactions, such as the dissociation of a hydrogen molecule. This is a significant step towards the development of quantum computers that can be used to design new materials and drugs. As mentioned earlier, this quantum computer has been used to crack cryptographic algorithms, which spells vulnerability for almost every data out there on the internet. Google's quantum computer has been used to break a cryptographic algorithm. With the ability of the technology to factor large numbers, which is a key step in many encryption algorithms, this has been made possible. This breakthrough could have implications for the security of our online communications if new ways aren't developed using quantum computing to protect personal data online. Google isn't the only company working on quantum computers at the moment. Other companies like IBM, Microsoft, Intel, Rigetti Computing, D-Wave Systems, and others currently have these systems under development. These companies and organizations are developing a variety of different types of quantum computers using different technologies, such as superconducting qubits, trapped ion qubits, and photonic qubits. Some of these quantum computers are already available for public use through cloud computing platforms. For example, IBM offers a quantum cloud computing platform called IBM Quantum Experience. Microsoft also offers a quantum cloud computing platform called Azure Quantum. In the coming months or years, there will be a growing popularity of this kind of computer. But at the moment, efforts are still being made to understand how these systems work and how best to operate them. And as you would expect, the cost of these computers is astronomical at the moment, running into millions of dollars for a unit. But it's expected that as the technology becomes widespread, the cost of production will reduce significantly. Now let's talk about how this new technology can impact the development of modern-day AI. To begin with, training AI models deals with a lot of data and calculations. This process can take months using present-day computers. However, with the introduction of quantum computers, these tasks could be processed within a fraction of the time it would normally take. And not just that it will be faster, they're expected to give out more efficient results. Maybe with the help of quantum computers, developers will be able to weigh through all the probabilities in every model of AI, which might be able to reveal some hidden factors that have the potential to cause complications in the future. Also, quantum computers might be able to develop new algorithms for developing AI models, which could be impossible to run on the most powerful supercomputer we have today. This will be a gateway into a new history in computing, which could help us perform tasks that we can't even imagine at the moment. Next, there will be an overall optimization of the processing power of AI. Currently, most models of AI are still deemed to be a bit rusty in performance. But with such an addition, we could be well on our way to developing systems, which can operate at a level way above human intelligence. This will mean new milestones for different sectors in the world economy. For the health sector, it's expected that new discoveries that will aid in curing illnesses like cancer could be developed with the aid of these machines. Treatments could be made to meet the unique DNA signature of patients without much difficulty. Also, the time spent on research and development could be cut down significantly. In some cases, it could be made instant. This way, more lives will be saved, and timely interventions will be very easy. Also, the issue of climate change has become a major debate among governments and organizations. In fact, we're already witnessing the impacts, with an increase in natural disasters, leading to the loss of millions of dollars in personal properties and also life in extreme cases. But it's expected that with quantum computing, we could be able to adequately assess the risks of such disasters occurring in different locations accurately and on time. This way, measures could be put in place to ensure that the accompanying damage is totally avoided or reduced to a minimum. If we're lucky, quantum computing could help find a way to reverse the damage already done to the protective layers of our planet and also find new ways of doing things that will be cleaner and more efficient. The financial sector will also benefit a lot from a technology like this one. For them, quantum computing could help in faster and more accurate risk assessment. These computers can be used to perform complex risk calculations much faster and more accurately than classical computers. It could highlight the different outcomes for every decision that you make, pointing out the details to its specifics and eliminating the need to make blind decisions that could result in very dire consequences. This could help financial institutions to better understand and manage their risks. Online security at the moment seems to be taking a huge hit, and quantum computing could help improve fraud detection technologies that are available today. Quantum computers can be used to develop new fraud detection algorithms that are more effective than traditional algorithms. This could help financial institutions to reduce fraud losses and even develop shields that will block them off entirely. Companies are always on a constant search to find new ways to reach their target consumers and attract more investments. Now, with the introduction of quantum computers, new portfolio optimization algorithms could be developed, which could find more efficient and profitable investment strategies for different companies based on the core goals of these companies. In fact, we're looking at the possibility of generating new ideas, which could help complement existing products or services being offered by a company. This technology could be used to develop new financial products and services that are not currently possible. For example, quantum computers could be used to develop new types of derivatives and structured products. This could help financial institutions and other companies to improve their returns. We will remain in constant search to make processes easier and faster. Who knows? We might get to a point where machines will basically handle every task, way better than we could have ever done them. Having new breakthroughs will create room for opportunities, which will challenge the human intellect, which will in turn lead to greater outcomes that could change our lives forever. If you've gotten to this point, we'd like you to air your thoughts on this technology and also follow the procedures to keep in touch with the channel for more amazing content.